Hi, my name is Tommy Stewart, and I'm going to talk about Thumbnail Blaster, which is, of course, to do with thumbnails. No, not the sort you have on your hands. I mean the type you use in YouTube to show what your video is all about. It doesn't matter how good your video content is. If your thumbnails are not grabbing attention, you'll never get the views you deserve. And without the views, you'll never get results. Fact, there are over 400 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every minute. These days, just having a video won't make you stand out. Creating custom thumbnails manually is kind of tedious. It's hard work to create attention-grabbing thumbnails. You have to be an experienced designer or hire one. If you outsource the creation of a single thumbnail via sites like Freelancer or Fiverr, you will pay anywhere from $50 to $500 for a single professional thumbnail. And if you have more than one video, things can become pretty costly. What if you have to wait for the freelancer to create it? Sometimes up to a week. Not to mention the fact that maybe you just won't like the end result. Plus, the designer that you will work with will create the thumbnails based on their own feelings, their ideas. You can't grow a business based on somebody else's instincts. I call that hope marketing. There's really no place for hope. It's got to work, so it's down to your control. Here's the thing. A good thumbnail can triple the amount of number of views that your videos will get. That is a fact. The vendor of this software made the following statement. They said, "We've been in the video marketing game for over 10 years and uploaded millions of videos for our campaigns, for our clients' campaigns." Sorry about that. And uploaded millions of videos for our campaigns and for our clients' campaigns. We tried and tested every sneaky marketing tactic in the book, and the number one thing that works right now and isn't about to change anytime soon is you never get a second chance to make a first impression. How true. Thumbnail Blaster comes with over 30 thumbnail templates across multiple niches: weight loss, local business, gaming, travel, vlogs, pets, reviews, music, SEO, sports, real estate, and makeup. You name it, we've got you covered. Plus, our original templates and clickbait templates can be used in any niche. All the templates have been battle tested and proven to get the highest click-through rate for your video campaigns. All of this for a one-off $27. Now I can call that money well spent. And I mean that sincerely. There's nothing to install. You don't need any technical skill. Each template can easily be customized to fit your new needs. You can drag and drop anything, resize, change texts and fonts, and add new elements. Just drag and drop, you're in total control. Just point and click interface. Thumbnail Blaster works with any new or existing video created by any video builder. What used to take hours creating, designing and tweaking thumbnails now takes seconds. That's right, seconds. And there's no learning curve and the results are instant. Just imagine 300% more views. And let's not forget, you also get 2 bonuses. Bonus number 1, which they reckon is valued at $97, video ranking machine. Do you need traffic? All you need is Thumbnail Blaster and YouTube account, and you can rank on the first page of Google and get as much targeted traffic as you want to your offers, even without having to create videos. Bonus number 2, valued as a staggering $497. I wonder. Live training webinar. We will show you how to use Thumbnail Blaster at maximum. We will also show you live the method that we teach you in the video ranking machine ebook, and teach you how to dominate Google rankings with a single YouTube account and thumbnail. It might be worth a lot of money, that. So there you go. In closing, I would like to say that I have personally created over 100 thumbnails and can say from experience that there is no exaggeration in what I have said about the importance of a good thumbnail, and I would emphasize the amount of time you can waste trying to create one that will put the correct message over to the public. So I would consider the one-off spending of $27 for Thumbnail Blaster to be very much worth doing. That's sincerely. Also, if you look below this video, that's down there, you will see my URL there. If you click on it, this will take you to the Thumbnail Blaster site, where you will be able to get any questions answered, or indeed make any purchases. Sorry about that. Anyway, there you go. If you wish to contact me, please do so. Tommy@tommystewart.com, and thank you very much. I'll talk to you again sometime. Bye bye.